Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. This is an introduction video to the ABC 123 SuperTrend and SuperTrend panel indicator. I built this probably a little over a year ago, and this was also during my growing phase of trading. And what I needed to find out is just pinpoint areas of kind of a line in the sand for support and resistance if you're a scalper or a very high frequency trader. So what I developed here, it does live statistics, but because I don't have live data running right now. But what it will do is on the top right hand corner, we'll show you percentages and tick movement. But the key is always you're trying to follow the trend. So the super trend will show different colors of slopes, as you can see where it's flattening out, different colors of slopes, and you can change the colors of your slopage. And then what you do is when the super trend is crossing over, it will create a line in the sand saying this is our area of interest. And what you can do is, it all depends how it's all setting up. As you can see where the trend line is, we want to of course trade above the trend line. So once it breaks through, we wait for our pullback, see if there's a continuation. We can enter somewhere within this area and take the trend. And you do that over and over and over again. So once you start getting into chop zones, and we're looking at 12 lunchtime, let's go for market open times. So right around market open, it takes off, comes back up. We're waiting for this entry. We could try to take a trend, make some profit. And we're looking at our areas of interest. It crosses over, deep retracement once again, enter a trade, and away we go. Because now we know we're in a solid uptrend. These downtrends we're not really worried about. We know this is a pullback, and then we could take the trend again. 10-15 turns around, a really key reversal time, and we could take this trend once again, back and forth, back and forth. These times here, what you can use to see, I use them for, is I look at these times, and this is also kind of data mining, just a quick data mine, just for verification, just to see if we're bottoming out or turning around. So for example, at 10:34, you will have times ahead. Let me just move this so you can understand. There are times ahead here of groupings, and what you want to know is, what I'll look for is to see if these times are peaking for reversal. But we're 12 o'clock. Let's go back to market open here so you can understand more. So what I'll look at 10, 12, 10, 13, see if she's turning around within this zone. Yes, 10, 13, turn around, away we go. We'll look at these groupings to see if it's turning around. Nope, time failed, time failed, time failed, looks like, but there's consolidation on an uptrend. And then we'll look down. I'm just looking at the bottom here, coming down to about 11:05 where it's peaking out. Then I'll take a look at it and look at we're right on the line. And that's how you use the times. You have the options to turn on times, turn off times, turn off your tick lines, all that stuff. And it was a simplified version before I got into deeper and deeper methodologies, but I know it can be very effective if you really pinpoint your trades at certain critical times, and once you get used to the indicator, it works very, very well. Now let's say, for example, if I go to a NASDAQ, and I'm going to go to a 1 minute chart here, because I used to trade NASDAQ all the time. As you can see, the crossover time, let's go, versus ES. Let's go to market open here. Of course, we get a really noisy chop, and here we go. There's our breakout time for 511 ticks before the pullback. Next hit again, crossover, 101 ticks. Next crossover again for another 646 ticks. And that's everything. That's the bare bones of the super trend indicator. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at abc123trader. And also, as you can see on the bottom right hand corner, there's an area for the Discord group. Please join the group and talk to other members and see if there's any common interests or or common methodology, strategies, maybe bots, whatever. We could all figure it out and try to win together. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and have a great day.